Welcome to Zoological World. Today we will discuss about eagle. Nicknamed the king of all birds, eagles are large and powerful birds of prey that appear to soar majestically in the air, searching for their next meal. Although not the most agile flyer, its remarkable speed in the air certainly belies its enormous size relative to other birds. Most species are well protected by governments, conservation organizations, and international acts around the world, but a few of the more obscure species are in danger of extinction. Incredible eagle facts. Eagles probably first evolved from kites some 36 million years ago. The eagle has served as a very common symbol of strength and power in many human cultures. They have adorned the national emblems of Rome, Byzantium, Russia, and many Germanic states. The unusual-looking double-headed eagle is a common historical motif that may stretch back to the time of ancient Mesopotamia. The grip of the bald eagle is actually 10 times stronger than a human. Despite their much smaller body weight, the eye of an eagle is about the same size as a human eye. Eagles undergo a process called molting in which they gradually lose their feathers one at a time and grow completely new ones about every year. Some species will lose feathers equally on both sides to maintain proper balance. Eagles can carry up to 4 times their own body weight, making it one of the strongest birds in the world. Eagle versus hawk. Eagles and hawks are very similar in their behavior and physical characteristics. Some 15 species are even called hawk eagles due to their mixed intermediary features. But in general, hawks are much smaller in size. Their wingspan rarely exceeds more than 5 feet. Eagle behavior. These birds have exceptional vision that ranks among the best in the animal kingdom. Translated into human terms, it would have 20/5 or even 20/4 eyesight. There are a few reasons for this: the enormous size of the pupils, the density of light-detecting cells in the retina, and the shape of the fovea, a small pit in the back of the eye which is responsible for an animal's sharp central vision. This confers enormous visual advantages. First, an eagle can see 4 to 8 times farther than the average human, allowing it to spot small prey from up to 2 miles away, even while in flight. Second, it can also see in a wider range of colors, including ultraviolet. Finally, it can shift focus quickly to zoom in on prey. But in order to focus on a specific spot, the eagle usually has to turn its entire head in that direction. Fortunately, the eagle also has 14 vertebrae in its neck compared to only 7 for humans, enabling it to a greater degree of rotation. When the bird finally spots prey, it usually swoops down and snatches up its unsuspecting victim in its feet and talons. In this action, it acts with remarkable speed. The common golden eagle can dive down at speeds of around 150 to 200 miles per hour, which is nearly the equal of the peregrine falcon, the fastest animal in the world. In flight, the golden eagle can only maintain speeds of around 28 to 32 miles per hour, which still allows it to cover much of its hunting ground quickly in a day. Most of these birds are sedentary, which means they maintain a strict territory all year round. But a few species and subspecies may undertake a partial or full migration for the cold winter months. When several eagles gather together in groups, it is called a convocation, congregation, or eyrie. But these birds are not really one for large social gatherings. Instead, it tends to maintain a very narrow family life with a single mate and their chicks. It has little other social contacts besides that. Except for the breeding season, many eagles don't actually make many sounds. The bald eagle is one exception. It emits a harsh call to communicate with each other or warn away intruders. Eagle habitat. These birds are found all over the world in almost every single type of habitat, from the far northern tundra to tropical rainforests and deserts. Only 2 species, the bald eagle and golden eagle, are common to North America, while 9 species are endemic to Central and South America. The Eastern Hemisphere contains the greatest concentration of them, particularly in Africa. Many of the islands dotted throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans even have their own distinct species as well.